Today I am making steamed red snapper fish. This can serve as dinner or breakfast. See step-by-step instruction and information for cooking ideas or to prepare red snapper fish. Yes, so today I am steaming these 4 red snapper. Red snapper, just like any else fish, is easy to steam. And to steam fish, you have different method or you can steam the fish. This way I'm using pumpkin, carrot, potatoes, and some other vegetable. However, just about any fish you want to steam can steam this way. So just steam your fish with the necessary ingredients. It don't have to be red snapper. So first, I like to always wash my whatever I'm cooking. I like to wash it. Regardless, when you buy it and you clean it up, wash it, get it clean. You understand me? I always say that. Get it clean. It don't hurt to get it clean. So you wash these fish and put them away, meaning just put them aside, because you have all the vegetable to cut up. But just wash your fish, put them aside, get them clean, get them out of the way. And you can see I'm using 2 different type of fish. One of these fish, the biggest fish, it's like a freshwater fish, which is like a pond fish, and the other 3 fish is like sea fish. So as I say, you can use any fish to make a steam fish, and you can use any combination of fish together to make a steam fish. There's no rule that it have to be red snapper only or whatever. Just steam your fish. Alright, so that is what the clean up and the washing of the fish. So here we have a piece of pumpkin, about a pound of pumpkin, 2 carrots, 2 Irish potato, about 8 okra, 2 carrots, couple stalks of scallion, we have onion, and we have thyme. So alright, here we gotta cut up our okra, pumpkin, carrot, and all the vegetable. So as I always say, you can cut these vegetable in whatever shape or style you like. It don't make a difference, it all depends on how you want to present. So cut up your okra, your carrots, your pumpkin, whatever shape or style, just cut them up. So if you want to cut them bigger than that, so this is my potato, Irish potato. So far I have my scallion, my thyme, my onion, and I have a 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not gonna cut the pepper, just gonna cook it in the pot to get the flavor from it. I don't want it hard. So now you have all your vegetable and your seasoning prepared. It's now time to add them to the pot. So this is our pot will be used to cook our fish. So if you notice, I put the pumpkin first in, because the pumpkin is the one who will be the hardest to cook. So I wanted to get the full force of the heat. So I put in the pumpkin first, and then the rest of things can go. The rest of things can easily cook. And the easiest of all of these to cook is the fish. The fish is very easy to cook. Within minutes, the fish is cooked. So just add all your vegetable to the pot. I normally put the pumpkin first in the pot. So yeah. Come on, Troy. Something else. Yeah, so It's very important to level off these things and get them on a level. So you will add your scallion and thyme and all these things. So this is my scallion. And you notice I like spread them out, you know. Spread them, because with this pot there is, you would, after you rest the fish in the pot and this pot start to cook, there will be no stirring. It won't stir the pot. So that is why I'm placing these things properly, because it's just one cook. There is no stirring. You cannot stir. By the time you stir the fish, they're all mashed up. So you just set everything properly in the pot. Place the fish on top. I could add the dry rub, which is a powder seasoning, but I want it to get a full understanding. So this is my butter. So this I'm using like half stick of butter. I think that might be equivalent to about 2 tablespoons of butter. Yeah, so that's my butter. You can use any butter of your choice. And then I will add like 2 cups of water. So this is 2 cups of water. I'll be using 3 cups of water, but the thing is this, I'm adding the dry rub now. So this is my fish seasoning. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of fish seasoning. I'll be using also some garlic powder, so I'm using like 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Because I think I don't have any physical garlic in the cutting up of the season, so I'm using the powder. If I have garlic powder, then I don't have to use it. So this I'm just using like, or I use like half a teaspoon of black pepper, and this I'm like using like less than a half a teaspoon of salt. And you know, salt and black pepper is optional. You use it to your choice. See, I'm adding the next cup of water. So 3 cups of water to cook my fish. So that's it, 3 cups of water. Cover down. Light your fire. Add your pot to the fire. Leave to steam. So this steaming can take about, you can leave it to steam about, it all depends on the fire, 20 minutes, 25 minutes to 30 minutes. You don't need more than that. So I'm giving it 3 different timing. 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. And that's it. Steam. And steamed fish is very easy to do. It's just like that. Very, very easy. I think this is the easiest method. If you have a different method that is quicker than this method, please let me know. If you think this video was educational and are interested, please leave a like, subscribe, share, press the notification bell to see more video like this. So this steamed fish is complete. Ready to eat. And as I always said, share with family and friends and enjoy. So I'm just shaking it, you know, simmering it in. It's cooked. And the thing is this, you can taste. I gotta demonstrate to you how you can just put a liquor in your hand. So see, all I'm doing is checking. So see, my Irish is cooked, my pumpkin is cooked. My potato, I know it as Irish potato, but some people say it's not Irish, it's a potato, it's not Irish. So that's it. Easy as that.